management, so some steps hain. One is, of course, that we name the cyclone. And also know this, the cyclone is named only when the wind speed is more than 62 kilometers per hour. So officially we recognize that when the wind speeds becomes more than this, it then becomes a tropical cyclone. It is a type of a criteria that we have. Okay? So first we name the cyclone. The cyclone is named after, okay, when the wind speeds exceed this speed. The third is there are 4 steps in interventions. One is complete tracking of cyclones. Kahan jayega, kaise ghumega? They must share the data here. When will we have your landfall? So tracking is one important. Second is forecasting, bahut important hai. Very important forecasting. Third is the pre-landfall evacuation. The pre-landfall. Agar bahut severe hai, okay, we try to evacuate the people. Pre-landfall evacuation. And the fourth is post cyclone intervention. Okay, isme there are 3-4 components, which includes cyclone response. It includes cyclone, okay, search and rescue. It includes cyclone recovery. It includes cyclone rehabilitation. Cyclone response, okay, cyclone search and rescue missions, cyclone recovery, and cyclones rehabilitation, post-cyclone rehabilitation. Okay? So this is tracking of cyclone, forecasting cyclone, pre-landform evacuation. Okay, this is what I think India has kind of perfected, okay, along with this one. So we are able to predict better because of our dynamic prediction models, and the government is very active in evacuating. That's why the loss of life is almost zero. Okay, it's a good thing. It's almost like a case study we have, okay, that India manages this very, very well. And post-cyclone, search, rescue, food, water, medicines, recovery is build the roads again, build the bridges again, and rehabilitation. This one aspect. And the other aspect is the pre-cyclone mitigation, which largely includes dealing with the root factors associated with, okay, climate change. Okay, pre-cyclone mitigation. Okay, if you want to stop cyclones, you can't do that physically, but have conditions so that cyclone ho nahi. So root factor kya hai? Dealing with climate change. Okay, plus very important is your coastal ecosystem management. That includes mangroves plantations. The forests along the coast. And the third is construction of cyclone shelters. You're making those platforms, those houses. You're creating some kind of safe zones where people can move and stay. This is a long term. This is more the long term pre-cyclone interventions. To address the root cause, which is climate change, the coastal ecosystems with the mangrove forests, dense forest which can stop. Yes, correct, Pratima. We have a mangrove alliance, okay, in the name of Mishti, correct. Very nice. यही सब चाहिए आपके answers में. In the conclusions, we need all of this. नामपा, मुझे ना सोचना है उस पे, ना रिसर्च करना है. Okay. So basically some anti-ballistic cyclone missiles. I don't know. Okay. आप recommendation दें. Okay. ISRO might consider. Okay. मैं अदना सा आदमी, कोर्स खत्म करूंगा मैं. And the third I said is construction of cyclone shelters.